Hi, this is Mr. Tipton, and today we are learning about percent change. What is percent change? It is a ratio. Been dealing with a lot of ratios lately. It's a ratio that compares the change in quantity is just number, alright, so the change in number, to the original amount. Again, it's a ratio that compares the change in quantity to the original amount. How do we do this? What is that ratio? Percent change, you take the amount of change between two numbers and you divide it by the original amount. The amount of the change divided by the original amount will give you the percent of change. Let's look at some. First example, we just have our reminder of what it is up here at the top. Percent change is equal to the change divided by the original. So if we are changing from 12 meters to 18 meters, first we figure out what the change is. Well, from 12 to 18, how much has that changed? Well, 6, right? From 12 to 18, it's 6. Let me switch colors here. From 12 to 18 is 6, divided by the original. Well, what was the original amount that we started with? Right here, we started with 12. 6 divided by 12 is 0.5. But because we're looking for a percent change, not a decimal change, we have to make 0.5 into a percent. And we know decimal to percent, we just go twice to the right, which gives us a 50%. And this type of change is an increase because we went up from 12 meters to 18 meters. That's a 50% increase. Pretty easy. The change divided by the original. Here we have a change from $48.50 to $38.80. Well, let's see. I'm going to throw this in my calculator. 48.50 minus 38.80 gives me 9.7 or $9.70. That's the change. From 48.50 to 38.80, the change is 9.7. Divided by the original, I started with $48.50. If I put this in my calculator, 9.7 divided by 48.5, I get 0.2. But remember, we need a percent change, not a decimal. So that decimal comes over twice, and we have a change of 20%. But this time, it's not an increase. We went from $48 down to $38. So this is a 20% decrease. Alright? If we're going up, it's an increase. If we go down, it's a decrease. But the percent part is figured the same way. The change divided by the original. Example number 3. From 10 millimeters to 3 millimeters. Alright, already we know that we are going down, so we're going to have a decrease. What is the change from 10 to 3? 7. Divided by the original, which was 10. We started with 10 millimeters. And as a decimal, 7/10 is 0.7. You can call both of those 7/10. But we need the percent, so we're going twice to the right, and that gives us a 70%, and again, going down, 70% decrease. One more of these. From 12 words to 90 words. Okay, let's see, 90 minus 12 is 78. So my change is 78. My original is 12. If I do 78 divided by 12 in my calculator, I get 6.5. But remember, this is a decimal, and we are looking for a percent change. twice to the right gives us a 650% increase. From 12 to 90, we're going up, so we are increasing. That's pretty much it. I like percent change. Change divided by original. Make sure it's a percent. If you have questions, write them down. We'll practice tomorrow. See you soon.